Hey goal-getters, Jaden Sterling here, coming to you live from Invermere, British Columbia. I'm home. Last weekend I was away at a client's for a VIP day, which was awesome, and the first card fell out of the deck. So it's September 25th, fall. Last week we had the fall equinox, and it was, there's a shift in energy. I'm sure you can feel it. For those of you who are sensitive to energies, can feel the change where, things are becoming a little more relaxed. Have you noticed that? It's like we had a few months there. August was intense. The first 2 weeks in September have been really intense. So now there's a shift into a little more of a relaxed mode. Fall is a time for reflection. This is also the time where we step into the fourth quarter of the year in business year. So hopefully you're going to end strong. You've probably noticed in business, I've noticed in mine, where the last half of the year is always more profitable than the first half. I don't know why that is, but I think that's a good thing. So you have an opportunity to plan for a very profitable fourth quarter. We know what we are deliberate about in terms of our intentions happens. If we're not deliberate, then life happens by default. Things just happen to you. You end up scrambling during the course of your day to put fires out rather than being deliberate and accomplishing the goals that you want. So just kind of be mindful of that. Fall is also a spectacular time to prepare, start thinking ahead of time of what you want to accomplish next year. So you can probably tell, one of my favorite seasons of the year. I love it. So tell me in the comment section below, what's your favorite season and why? So as I was shuffling the cards, the very first card that came out, this is for Monday and Tuesday of this week, action. So what an appropriate card to start the week off. Take action toward what you want to accomplish. Yes, manifesting is fantastic. We start with our thoughts. There's a famous book, Think and Grow Rich. You've probably read it or at least heard about it. It's fantastic, but thoughts are only the primer. Thoughts prime the manifesting pump. It gets you started with manifesting, and then you have to take action. But there's a specific kind of action to take, and that is guided action. When you feel guided to do something, you know what that feels like, don't you? You get that inner twinge or that fleeting feeling that moves through you, and that is guided. When something isn't guided, it feels clunky or forced. It's like trying to put a round peg in a square hole. It just doesn't feel natural. So go with what feels natural to you, the direction that you're moving in. It feels like you're going to be connecting with new contacts this week, and you'll just be bumping into people, and that's good. So it means get out of your house. Introverts, I know this is hard. I'm one, I get it. But get out of the home, start meeting people, showing up at meetings, take action this week, Monday and Tuesday, and you'll see some great results from that. So the next card for Wednesday and Thursday, right in the middle of the week, we have the buy card. This is an interesting one. So whenever the buy card comes up, what that means is you have an opportunity to invest in your business. You have an opportunity to buy assets, whether it's real estate or stocks. Now, a few weeks ago, we were being guided that the stock market, particularly the U.S. stock market, is going to experience volatility the fourth quarter of this year with the uncertainty. But when we see the buy card, that could also indicate that we can buy things that will do well when we have a volatile stock market. Commodities are one of those assets that do well. Mutual funds, index funds that are overweighted in commodities, which is gold, silver, things of that nature. That's a commodity. Consider that for your portfolio, because as the market volatility goes up and down, commodities will help increase. They actually go up in a volatile market because most feel that they're safe havens in a volatile market. So buy card means Invest in your business. Maybe you need additional coaching or assistance in, guidance, in strategy in terms of what to do next. I'm a business coach and I invest my money in coaching as well. I know that if I take a program or hire a business consultant, it's going to further my business so much more than if I had to do it on my own. So you don't have to do it on your own. Invest in your business. And let's wrap up the week, shall we? Let's go for Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and let's see what the universe brings us. Now, the last 2 weeks, the exact same card came up, which was meditate. So, for this Friday, Saturday, Sunday, the word of the day's faith. Faith is spectacular. Interesting that faith follows the buy card. So we have to know that even if you feel a little bit of financial pressure or a little challenge financially in the middle of the week as you're expanding your business, as maybe you're adding assets to your business or hiring professionals to assist you, you got to have faith. Have faith in you, yourself. Have faith in the universe, the magnificence that exists all around you. At any one time, you can only have either faith or fear. And you can't live in both homes. So you have to decide, which home do you choose? Is it the home with faith or the home with fear? Faith is going to get you a lot further along in your life. It's going to help you move through those obstacles that have been holding you back. People, it's time. It's time to get going. This is a big week. We shift gears. We move into action Monday and Tuesday, starting the week off. We then shift right into the buy mode Wednesday, Thursday. Expand your business. Do those things that when you make the investment today, that will pay off in the future. And I mean really pay off. A rule of business that I like to use: for every $1 I invest in my business, I'm looking for $3 outcome from that initial $1. And that's a very high rate of return. The only way that you can accomplish that, or I found as an investor, is by investing in your business. And you gotta have faith. We know, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Have faith, people. It's all good. The universe is unfolding as it should. You know this. Keep moving forward. It's going to be a phenomenal week. And then take a little time. Take a little time to look at your life and business and ask yourself, where am I going? What direction? What do I desire? Because we know when you're, there goes the card deck. We know that when you're clear about your intentions and you start taking action towards your goals and dreams, people, it's going to get so much easier. Life gets silly fun at that point. Will you have challenges? Of course, we all do. Will you have resistance come up within yourself? Of course, you always will, but that doesn't mean that should stop you. That resistance is showing you're ready to up-level your game. You're ready to get to the next level. So have a phenomenal week. Post in the comments below. I want to hear, what are you working on? What are you ready to move forward in your business in a powerful way this week? This is the week where we kick off the beginning of the fourth quarter of the year. This is generally the time where you get to say, all right, what is it that I want to experience, and make it happen. Have a phenomenal week. I'm Jaden Sterling, your intuitive business coach. Oh, I forgot to mention, hit the subscribe button, will you? Studies have shown it makes you richer and smarter way faster. Have a great week. I'm Jaden Sterling. Subscribe.